primary camping, and you know I had to bring an RC or 2 or 3 to play with out here. So today we're gonna be running the MJX Hypergo 1028. You.
Can I sit over here or no?
I guess sit where you want.
You're just throwing your car away.
Ain't nobody throw it away.
Oh my gosh, you're gonna make it going back everywhere.
Wow. All right. Well, I wasn't gonna do 2 scenes out here with some smoky goodness, but there's really not a whole lot of place out here to run this thing, so this is what it is. Yeah, the wife won't be too happy. Oh shit. The wife's not gonna be happy with me, but wow, that is some thick smoky goodness. RC guy garage missing out. I think he's got a camper, right? He should come down to Florida. Stay here. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Oh, we got... This might not be such a bad little area right here. What's the noise? What's the noise coming out of this thing? Hopefully it's just pine needles, maybe. Ooh. Ooh, definitely durability testing this thing, huh? See if we can't jump this. Ooh. Golly, that's harsh. Oh shit. Let's maybe it's easier going that way. Yeah, I think it's... Oh, man, I haven't run this thing in a while, man. I got the Valkyrie and then kind of just sat this one off to the side here for a minute. Ooh. Yeah, let's not mess with that sidewalk too much more. So what do I got? This on 3S. I think that's all the things capable of 3S. I think I found a great place for this truck. Smoky goodness! Oh yeah, the wife's going inside. She's mad. She's gonna be mad. Well, I can have some really good fun now. Oh. Ah. This This is a cool RC. I still think it's a little expensive for what it is. Oh man, wish I had some jumps or something around here. Really don't have much. Whoa, man, RC Guy Garage cannot make this much smoky goodness. Nope, ain't no way he's making this much. I need to get a good thumbnail on this. Oh man, this thing is eating this stuff up. Not as good as the Hypergo was doing out here, but that's on 6S too. Man, this is cool because, you know, it's easy to travel with. This thing's a good size. Ah. Ooh. Oh shit. Don't take your eye off your RC when it's moving. It is not German Shepherd approved. You hear her barking? Ah, look at that, man. She's a drifter. She's a drifter. Fun, man. I need that cow company that RC Guy Garage deals with to man, send me some stuff to review. That'd be cool, so I can get my RCs cleaned. The MJX. It's a good RC, like I said. You know, I'm not trying to do the review here, but it's a little pricey, man. They, if you guys missed it, they did send me the repair parts, so that was a good thing. Oh no! Ah, this is too small of a battery. It's a battery I use in the what? The Omni Terminator, that's right. Yeah, it's too small. It's just not gonna make this thing wheelie. Trail. Woo! Poof. Check it out. Oh man, I'm having a blast with this thing here. This. Oh yeah. Ow, I'm belted. I love this, man. You know, some people hitting big ramps and jumps and stuff, getting way up in the air is their thing, and that's fine. I love this, man. Ground pounder. Actually driving the RC, man. Hell yeah, I love this. Oh shit, that was awesome. It doesn't quite have an extreme amount of power like the Asuga to do, you know, severe drifting, but it can do it. You know, it's... Oh man, okay, I better stop kicking up dust. Oh, look at that. We did get a little wheelie out of it. Ooh! Alright, before I break it. Oh, man. Alright, switching to GoPro. So let me know what you think. I got this new camera here, the Insta360 Ace Pro, which has this pretty cool little remote device. So as you can see, so this has something I could wear it as a watch, but then what I found out was when I wore it as a watch, I kept like looking down at the watch and making sure the camera was framing, and then when I looked up to actually video, the car was really low in the frame. So what I did this time is I took it out and decided to be like, hold it like this as I'm looking. So what I decided to do is hold it out like this so I could see what I was looking at as and I can't hold that and run the RC car, so I put it in my pocket, and there might be some glitches in this film to where it was in my pocket and it paused the video, and I didn't record the ending. So here's the ending. I hope you enjoyed watching the Hypergo, the MJX 10208 filmed on the new Insta360. So the last couple videos all been on that camera. Hopefully you've enjoyed some of the... I put a filter on it called Vivid. It should make the colors pop a little bit more, so hopefully you enjoyed that. I've turned off horizon lock, like... Oh, maybe you could see it in this. See, as I could turn the GoPro sideways and it keeps the horizon steady, but what happens is it crops in the picture. So if you turn that out, you get a wider picture. I found with this camera, with that setting in, it like really zoomed it in, and I was losing a lot of what I was trying to film, so I turned the horizon lock off. So this is like a live and learn. I've been using GoPros since I started this channel. So I'm trying to learn like the quirks with this. I've used Insta360 before. I got the 360 camera and the Go 3, the little tiny camera, which you watched the video, the little Sonic getting submerged. Yeah, my Go 3 was on the roof of that. I'm lucky I didn't lose that thing when it went upside down in the water, because I just got that camera too. So always trying to improve stuff for the channel. Well, hopefully you enjoyed watching the Hypergo run, create some smoky goodness, as RC Guy Garage would say. Hopefully you enjoyed. You'll subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and join us for these RC vehicle ventures, whether we're camping or at home or wherever we may be. All right, well, thanks for watching. Hope to see you next one.